Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the LG SP7R 7.1 channel high-res audio soundbar with rear speaker kit, a powerful, fully immersive home theater sound system that brings cinema-quality audio right into your living room. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below for the best price available today. 7.1 channel surround sound, true immersion. With 7.1 channels, this soundbar provides a full surround sound experience, making movies, music, and games feel more dynamic and lifelike. The included rear speaker kit enhances the depth of the sound, delivering true surround effects from behind you. High-resolution audio, studio-quality sound. Unlike standard soundbars, the LG SP7R supports high-res audio, ensuring clearer vocals, richer bass, and detailed instrumentals, whether you're watching action-packed blockbusters or listening to your favorite playlist. Powerful bass, deep, room-filling sound. The wireless subwoofer delivers thunderous bass that you can feel, making every explosion, drum beat, and low-end note more impactful. AI Sound Pro, adaptive audio for every scene. LG's AI Sound Pro automatically analyzes the content you're watching and optimizes the audio in real time, so you always get the best sound, whether it's a quiet dialogue scene or an intense battle sequence. DTS Virtual X, 3D sound without the hassle. With DTS Virtual X, this soundbar simulates overhead and multi-directional audio, creating a 3D-like surround sound experience without the need for extra ceiling speakers. Seamless connectivity, HDMI ARC, Bluetooth and more. HDMI ARC for easy, high-quality connection to your TV. Bluetooth streaming for wireless music playback from your phone or tablet. Optical and USB inputs for versatile connectivity options. Final thoughts. The LG SP7R 7.1 channel soundbar is a powerhouse of sound, delivering high-resolution audio, immersive surround effects, and deep bass. Whether you're a movie lover, music enthusiast, or hardcore gamer, this system provides an incredible audio experience that truly brings your entertainment to life. Fire! Check out the best deals in the link below and upgrade your home theater today. Fire!